side of the road's closed. I can't get no farther up in there and I ain't seen nobody all day long on this road. So that tells me this is a good place for squatching. I'll tell you, this thing ain't nothing like I ever seen before. Look at that son of a bitch. That's huge. Down here, I'm down here. This is way up there. Shh. Did you hear that? Did you hear that? Oh. Yeah, I thought I heard something down in there. Yeah.
So, here I am, up in the Pacific Northwest, in the middle of nowhere. And I got my special hat on to keep my camera dry. I'm at the famous location where George McClendon and Barbara Suzanne Patterson saw Bigfoot up here. So I'm up here to find, because there's Bigfoot everywhere up in here. So let's go get him.
The command post has been set up. And now we're going to work on getting back into these woods now that my camera's working better. I had to dry it out on the heater in the van, that's why it's running. Okay, let's do this. Command Central, still working on it a little bit, making progress. It is raining out there, I tell you. Something fierce. They don't stop us squatchers. That don't stop us squatchers one bit. It is a little wet. I'm thinking I should put on a coat or something. Because I'm out here like this, so shit. I guess I put on a coat. Oh, I think the fumes are getting in here. Oh, 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 oh. Whoa, the fumes are getting in here. That's not good. I gotta get in the woods. All right, I gotta turn this shit off. Oh, there's too many fumes in here. Oh man. Yeah, still waiting there for me. Yeah. Turn that exhaust off, so I'm feeling a little bit better now. I think I'll be able to get back out and do some more squatches. Still haven't seen a car. Sasquatch is everywhere, Bigfoot's everywhere. They're everywhere. The one we're looking for is the one Barbara McManus saw out here. And that's the one with the longer earlobes. It's the different than everyone's familiar with, which is the Bigfoot, North American Bigfoot, but has standard earlobes. This one's got the longer earlobes, so that's the one we're looking for. Earlobe McLongus. This is a rare one. Fuck, I thought I lost that. Oh yeah. I'm starting to lose my balance a little bit. So I'm gonna switch to something a little lighter. Yep. That is clear signs that a Bigfoot Sasquatch has been here.
That's clear signs right there. That's what you're looking for, folks. That's what you're looking for right there. That's what I'm talking about. But, come on. Yeah. But, did you guys see that? Shit's starting to get heavy. The Sasquatch is everywhere. I think it's time to get back to command post. Shit's getting crazy. Things were getting sort of weird last time I was out. So we're gonna go to a different sort of firepower this time. Yeah. All right, everybody, be quiet. Because this is the type of environment you find them. Right around in here. Yeah. What? Oh! That's what I'm talking about. Okay, that was just a mushroom. But you gotta be aware of squatches like this. What was that? Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Nope, that was nothing. Yeah, fuck. Shit's getting fucking weird. There's like weird gravity, so I can't fucking walk. Oh, okay. Now get them pants pulled back up. We'll be doing good again. Do you hear that? Do you hear that? Huh? Okay, that was just a tree. Shit's getting weird out here. I better get back to the van. Huh? You see that activity right there? Fucking Bigfoot trying to scare me. I ain't scared. I ain't scared, Bigfoot. No, I ain't scared. Fucking jerk. Gotta get back to the command post. There's one thing for sure, I ain't scared. I ain't scared of him. Do you hear that? Listen. Yeah. Okay. That was just a tree. Getting a little scared out here, guys. So I think I'm gonna retreat back to the command post. Sasquatch is everywhere. Thank God I had this with me, because who knows what would have happened. That's what you call a successful Sasquatch hunt. Right there, folks. See you next time.
Individuals who leave tracks in the ground unexplained. Mountain monkey. There's a group of individuals living in the northwest.